can see your head right there. Can you see yourself? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are making ratatouille, and I honestly don't know why I've never made it before. It is so good. I love all the vegetables in it, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing is to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you are going to slice the vegetables that are going to make up the bulk of your dish, which are the eggplant, tomatoes, squash, and zucchini. The next thing we're going to do is get our sauce ready. So I heat my pan. I use a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and then I'm going to saute the onion, garlic, and bell peppers that you'll see me chopping in just a moment. I'm going to saute them for a few minutes, and then I'll let them cook for about 10 minutes until they're all soft. And I will also add some salt and pepper. So my pan has had enough time to heat up, and this is where you add in the vegetables you just chopped up, and this is going to be the sauce, again, that's going to go in the bottom of your dish. You would also add in a can of crushed tomatoes, and I was following a recipe because I've never made ratatouille before, and I completely forgot to add the can until a little bit later, you'll see. So I don't think it really matters if you add it to this part or if you wait to the part where I show you that I added it, because it honestly turned out perfect, and next time I make it I'll most likely do it the same way. I like this next step because when you start layering it, you really get to see how beautiful the dish is with all the pretty colors. So the way I layer it is I do the eggplant, tomato, squash, and zucchini. Just do it however you like, but I did have to actually cut the eggplant in half to fit better. The way I've seen ratatouille dishes is in circle style pans. I don't have one that's big enough, so I'm just going to use my 13x9 casserole dish, and it turned out fine. It's not going to cook, in my opinion, any different. It's just going to be a different presentation. So So just fill up your pan as much as you can, and look how pretty this is. It looks like a piece of art, all the color, and it's gonna taste so, so good. I'm gonna make a quick herb dressing for the top of it, and it's super easy. All I'm using is some basil, some fresh minced garlic, some parsley, and some thyme, and I did add a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil. You want to cover it with foil, and then we're going to start off baking it for 40 minutes. After the 40, you're going to take it out, remove the foil, and then continue cooking it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll show you the finished product in just a minute. My husband is helping me behind the camera real fast, so thank you for that, Robert. But this is the final product. And yes, my oven mitts have food on them. I use them several times a day, so don't judge me. But so look at that. It looks delicious. And if you could smell it, it like made my entire house smell so good. So now I'm gonna dish it up, and Robert's gonna be the taste tester, and he'll let you know what he thinks.
What's yours called?
This is called Ratatouille. And I hope it tastes really good. We're gonna scoop some on the plate. Just don't touch this pan, okay? It's really hot.
Why?
Do they just get out of the oven?
Is that for Daddy?
Yeah. We're gonna let Daddy be the taste tester.
Good job, babe. I've never had this before. I really like it. It's hot.